Hello everybody, here's an example on how to solve this system of equations. I use in Excel, so I have 3x plus 4y equals 20 and I have negative 7x minus y equals 17. And I want to solve that using Excel. So how to do that? I'm going to create two matrices. The first matrix is going to represent the coefficient matrix. The second matrix will be the constant matrix. Make sure that your equations are in order with x first and then y next. X first and y next. That is very important to do. And then you're going to put the coefficients in the yellow matrix. So for the first equation, the coefficient of x is 3, the coefficient of y is 4, and the constant is 20. For the second equation, the coefficient of x is negative 7, the coefficient of y is negative 1, and the constant for the second function is 17. Okay, now that I have my matrices ready to operate on, I'm going to find the solution. The solution is going to be x and y, two values, one value for x and one value for y. To calculate that using Excel, I'm going to select two cells and then type in equal and mult. It will pop up for you, so double click on the function. And then we're going to use inside of it M inverse, which is the inverse of the matrix. So click on the function when it appears to you. And then it is going to ask you to select an array. So the array is going to be the coefficient matrix. And then close the parentheses and then put a comma. And it's going to ask you about an array number 2. So you select the constant matrix and then close the parentheses. Now, because you selected two cells, you cannot just hit enter. You have to hold the control shift enter and it will calculate both values for you. So the x that solves this equation is negative 3.52 and the y is 7.64. I hope this helped you and I will see you in class.